With the advancements in commercial drones and satellites, digitization of geographical data is revolutionizing the construction, mining, and agricultural sectors. Digital maps help make it easier and faster to perform planning, monitoring, and execution. However, it is not easy to manage data generated from drones and satellites due to large size, complex hardware requirements, and prerequisite knowledge of the Geographic Information System (GIS) domain. This restricts the effective use and sharing of high-resolution maps. Indshine platform allows you to get the most out of your maps by providing you with an immersive toolkit to work on raster and vector files in real time. Your data is completely safe and securely accessible from any device. You can share maps among your peers and organizations with private web links. Also, the platform allows you to generate powerful, actionable insights and reports on the fly. Indshine allows your team and organization to assign tasks, raise and resolve issues, resulting in an increase in efficiency and transparency of work. Streamline your decision-making by joining our extensive community user base from over 126 countries and discover how a collaborative environment can offer a new perspective for your organization.